Hi guys, welcome back to Sasha's Kitchen, and today I'll be making Danish pastries.
For this I have taken a pastry sheet store-bought, some chocolate syrup, strawberry jam, apricot jam, pecans, coconut flakes, and 1 egg. Now to prepare the pastry, we're going to cut the little sides off like I've shown here and use whatever filling that you like. I'm going to use chocolate syrup and coconut flakes and spread it on the dough. Then we're going to take the side strips and alternate. Then bring them all the way in. Now we're going to use the beaten egg to egg wash on top to give it like a shiny feel and have it held together better.
So now that the pastries are ready, we're going to put them in the oven. So now that my pastries are done, we're going to finish with a sprinkle of pecans.